Hey everybody, this is Noel from Home Quick, and just another message in our maintenance and upkeep. Carbon monoxide and smoke detectors. We don't know if they're working or not. You guys live there. You have to tell us. Obviously, if you ever hear it beeping, you just need to change the 9-volt battery. Some of them are wired to the whole house. If you ever have a major issue, obviously you can call us, but really you should be checking those batteries every few months. Maybe set yourself a reminder just to make sure that you check them to make sure that they're working. Like I said, of course, we won't know until we're there. We do check those when we come in through a walkthrough, but you guys can really help us out by making sure you stay on top of that functionality, make sure that those batteries are good. Again, we appreciate you guys being great tenants and residents with us here at Home Quick.